street food is a festival of colors, textures, and flavors. Indian vendors have a long relationship with history. They've been around since the Mughal Empire, which ruled from the 16th to the 18th century and catered to Mughal kings. With so many options, you might be wondering what to try first. Maybe the original taste of Mumbai? How about this cold treat? Or would you prefer a juicy fried dough ball? Join me on a trip through the streets of India to try the most delicious street food creations they have to offer. Kati Roll. Cooks invented this spicy yet sweet wrap in the early 20th century in Kolkata, India, when it was the capital of the British Empire. The original recipe calls for skewer-roasted kebabs in paratha, the flatbread used to make the wrap. On top is a layer of eggs, then chutney, a bittersweet condiment sauce. Stopping for a Kati roll is a whole experience, since the cook will prepare it in front of you. You'll see how they roll the dough on a tawa, which is a small pan. Then they crack an egg onto it and roll in the meat or vegetable filling. Jalebi. If you dig crunchy food, you've got to try jalebi. It's made of wheat flour and fried in a circular patch shape, kind of like a pretzel, only nothing like a pretzel. Then it's soaked in sugar syrup and served warm and crunchy. You can also eat jalebi cold if you prefer a chewier texture. It's a tradition to eat jalebi during the Hindu festival of Dussehra. This celebration marks the end of Navaratri, which is a 9-day fasting period. There's nothing like a hot, sweet jalebi to reward you after a long fast. Vada Pav. This is a bun filled with spicy potato, garlic, and green chutney. Vada Pav is closely associated with the city of Mumbai. Some lovers of this street food describe it as the original taste of Mumbai. Everyone eats Vada Pav. Factory workers, students, and Bollywood stars will wait in line to get one of these tasty sandwiches. Kulfi. There's nothing like a kulfi to cool you on a muggy day in Mumbai. Kulfi is a frozen dessert similar to ice cream, but better. It's creamier and denser. To make this frozen wonder, you'll need to cook sweet flavored milk, but slowly. Stir until the milk has lost half its volume and is nice and thick. This method caramelizes the lactose and sugar, giving the kulfi its distinct flavor. Then the mix is frozen slowly, creating a smooth, velvety texture. You can find it in various flavors, including cardamom, rose, and even saffron. Kulfi is usually served on a stick, cup, or leaf. Pani Puri. This street snack has a special place in Indians' hearts with its explosion of flavors. It's soggy, spicy, and juicy. Cooks stuff these fried dough balls with boiled potatoes, boiled chickpeas, or white pea curry. Then it's combined with spicy, tangy water. Just make sure you eat it with sweet chutney to balance out the spiciness. Now that you've savored the most delicious Indian street foods, would you try a dish made of blood or fish fermented in its own guts? Take a look, only if you dare, at the world's most extreme foods on the next episode of Origins of Food.